How are y'all doing? So it's a chilly day, but we gotta get some work done. Ended up trading the 65 GMC short bed pickup. We'll be trading it for a 69 Malibu that's in buildable shape, probably comparable to the truck. So never had a Malibu. They're gonna be a good trade and also be quicker to sell, move on, get some other stuff out of this yard, and continue on. So I will do a walk around, and when we get to Malibu, we'll do a walk around with that as well. If anybody's interested in it, let me know. A GMC walk around, nothing has changed on it, minus I believe the motor is locked up, so we're gonna pull the drive shaft to make it easier to load this time. He is bringing his trailer with the Malibu on it, so it won't be me using my winch. So instead of just dragging it, we'll let it roll freely. These wheels are on it just to get it to roll, and then the steelies are in the bed that were on it. So I'll get mine back once he gets the swap done. So 65 GMC is going to go to its new owner, and then I'll have a 69 Malibu. We're going to get under here and pull the drive shaft so y'all can come with me so it'll roll freely. As I said, the motor's locked up or the clutch is stuck, so it is stuck in gear. It is a 3 on the tree. So Drive shaft is out. She should roll freely, just waiting on the pickup, and we'll make the trade deal and be done with it. All right, trade deal is complete. This is the 69 Malibu. It's a little rough, but still buildable. VIN tag and trim tag are still there. Anybody's worried about the roof on these things, I'll show you. There's a little rot. Well, a little. It's not as bad as I've seen them before. Around the window area, drip wells appear to be good. This is a vinyl top car, so that makes a lot of sense. Back window is the worst, still fixable to the right person. And the glass is in the back seat, along with the trim for the glass. Seats are in it, which is another big question. There's a Pontiac steering column, but there's also an extra steering column with the key. Two Malibu emblems up there. Rough, yes. Most will say it's probably too far gone, but when's the last time you seen a 69 Malibu or Chevelle for sale for a decent price? 14-inch rallies, or whatever GM called them, I forget. And then obviously under here there is no engine or trans, but suspension's there. So let me know what y'all think. Some would say I did not make a good trade deal, some say I did. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Hope to hear from y'all soon.